Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a free tool from Popper, the Google Analytics Integration Tester. Popper is an AI-powered on-site engagement platform that helps you build high-converting pop-ups, widgets, and interactive gamified experiences, like Spin the Wheel, Candy Crush, Fruit Ninja, and more, no coding needed. Now let's explore the Google Analytics Integration Tester. This tool helps you verify whether Google Analytics is correctly set up on your website in just seconds. To access it, simply find the link in the video description below. It checks your website's client-side setup to see if Google Analytics is running properly by looking for key tracking elements like window.tag. Type or paste the full web address of the website you want to test in the input field. It will then check whether Google Analytics is correctly installed. You'll see one of the following. This website uses Google Analytics. This means the tool detected the presence of Google's global site tag, window.tag, or related scripts, confirming proper setup. Let's try another website. This website may not be using Google Analytics. This means tracking may not be set up, or there might be an issue with the integration, such as a misconfiguration or missing script. Google Analytics is essential for tracking visitor behavior, measuring conversions, and optimizing your site. But even a small installation error can lead to inaccurate data, missed conversions, poor campaign attribution. By using this tool, you ensure that Google Analytics is correctly installed and collecting reliable data. This tool is perfect for developers setting up Google Tag Manager or Analytics, marketers validating campaign tracking, business owners monitoring analytics health. So that's the Google Analytics Integration Tester, a fast, free way to verify your tracking setup and avoid data issues. Try it now, the link is in the description. If you found this tool helpful, give this video a like, share it with your team or fellow marketers, and don't forget to subscribe to Popper's channel for more powerful tools and tips. And don't forget to check out our full suite of free tools designed to help you boost engagement and conversions. See you in the next one.